Hello everybody and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Moscow Mule Beer using our Moscow Mule craft puree. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, we are going to pump in 1 full pump of our Moscow Mule craft puree, and then all you do is add some beer to that. I'm personally using an IPA here. I think the flavors just meld really well. And of course, garnish with a fresh lime. And you are good to go. Enjoy your beer. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If Moscow Mule isn't your thing to add to beer, we do have over 20 flavors of craft purees. Come from fruit flavors. We also have fun ones like espresso coffee. So there's a ton of different things you can try. If you want to keep up to date on what we're doing in the Amoretti world and any of our giveaways and new products, make sure to subscribe to our channel and of course, subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks. Bye guys.